Hi everyone, my name is Nikki and I am going to be reviewing the instasmile Clip On Veneers. First I'm going to talk about my teeth a little bit. I did have beautiful teeth when I was younger, but unfortunately pregnancy and the hormones destroyed my teeth. I have 3 children. My last pregnancy absolutely destroyed my teeth. While I was pregnant, I literally, when I brushed, the enamel would fall off my teeth. So I chose instasmile clip-on veneers because actual veneers are a little bit too expensive for me. So these are this is what it comes in. I have the top and the bottom. I am a 4-year customer of instasmile. This is my 3rd set. I bought my first pair in 2019. This is my 3rd pair. This is my 3rd pair because I wanted just a really wider shade. The first shade I had was like more of a natural, and I just wanted to upgrade to Hollywood white. So these are the top pair, and these are the bottom. And I'm going to put them in for you all so y'all can see. These are before. My teeth before, they're bad, but the bottoms ain't too bad, but the top is actually really, really bad. I'm going to put the top in, and there's those, and this is the bottom, and there's those. You can eat with them, you can drink with them. The only time I take these out is when I go to bed. I just don't want to sleep with them in all night long. And yeah, they have gave me so much confidence. This is probably better lighting. Beautiful teeth. I'll recommend it to anybody. A lot of people think the instasmile is a scam. I promise you, for us, like I said before, a 4-year customer here. And they make me so much more happy, and thank you, instasmile.